What is going on, y'all? I am back in town from a crazy wedding, man, I went to near Lake Tahoe in Cali. Man, it was crazy. It was an awesome wedding, but it snowed and everything, and I'm like, man, I thought I wasn't gonna see snow for a while, but this is a long ass trip because we had to drive from the airport and we flew standby and everything. It was a long weekend, but it was fun, man. But I'm back in town. I'm glad to be back on my grind again. This weekend will be my first car show of the year, and I'm excited about it. And as you can see, the headliner, new headliner, yeah, new headliner looking good, y'all. And I'm driving the Caprice. I don't know if you can hear that whine. Caprice riding good. I actually en route to the tune shop right now. It's still not idling for me very well when I come in and out of off the pedal, so I'm not sure. I mean, I can lightly hit the pedal, it'll want to die. If I come to a stop sign, it'll still want to die, so it's still giving me the same issues. I put a new idle air control valve in it, still doing the same thing. So he hasn't tuned it yet with the new valve, idle air control valve in it, so I'm going to take it to him right now. Probably about 30 minutes out or so from his place. But just wanted to chime in with y'all and just kind of check in and give you a quick update. I picked up the car from my buddy's house. He's a painter, been a painter and a body guy for a long time, and he uses the location that he works at to do some side jobs. His boss is hella cool that way, as long as it's after hours. So he is allowed him to do that job for me. So I just left the car with him over the weekend, and over the long weekend that I've been gone, I picked it up, looking good. I had my passenger door repainted because it had a long scratch on it. It had a bunch of rock chips on it too. And then when I was painting my moldings, when I was peeling the painter's tape off, some actual paint came off with it. So there was just a lot of different rock chips and stuff in there, y'all. So I think I grabbed that area where it was kind of weak in the paint, and then it pulled off some paint with the painter's tape. So anyways, I had to get that painted, and it's okay. It ended up working out good because I wanted to also get the rear front part of the rear quarter painted too as well, because it had some light surface rust. I think over time the rock chips and stuff just kind of hit in the same area of the car, and so it was just time. So now, shit, man, the car is straight. You know, I mean, it's the OG paint on it, so you know, for what it is, it looks good. So I have a couple parts of the body painted because somebody hit the car a long time ago, about a year or so ago, so I had to get that fixed. At the same time, there was a dent in the front of the front fender that came with the car when I got it, so I had to get that fixed and repainted, and then obviously the door. So but yeah, I mean, for what it is, y'all, it's looking good. Now I'm in the home stretch, got all the big projects done. Now I bought some new lights, my new halo lights that I made. I'm gonna put those on. I gotta change the oil. What else? I'll finish my grill. I'm gonna probably do that today, and just some other little things, y'all. After that, it's pretty much clean up. I'm gonna finish my intake. I painted that. I put a new Chevy emblem on it, and I actually have some Caprice classic emblems that I'm gonna put on there as well, and I think that'll look pretty dope. So y'all stay tuned, y'all. Still more to come on this car. We ain't done yet, and then we got the show this weekend, so it's about to be on, y'all. So anyways, let me concentrate on this driving. I am now on the freeway. I was just on the back road, so now I'm on the freeway, and get off this phone before 50 sees me or something. So all right, y'all, I'll holler at y'all later. Stay tuned, and yeah, I'll leave you with this. Woo! All right, peace.